Meow 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 meow. Oh hi, my name's Dumb Dumb Kitty. My name's Dumb Kitty. I like that. My name's Dumb Kitty. I like it so much. Ooh, and tacos. Tacos are my favorite. Tacos, 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 tacos.
Oh, shut up, you dumb cat!
Hi, Jazz Tigro. I love you and you know it. I love you. I love you so much. I love you with all my nose.
It's all my heart, for Pete's sake.
Okay, okay. Do you have a taco? I want a taco. I'll push this big ring.
Just don't press that button. It'll destroy the world, including you and me. Here's your spicy hot red taco.
Cool, thanks. I'll just push the button beside it. Peek.
Ah!
Ooh, taco. Nom, 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 nom. Nom, 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 nom. Nom.
Dumb Kitty Saga will be coming soon. Susan plays Dumb Kitty, Relationship 12 plays Jazz Hero. I hope you will enjoy it when it comes out.
Bye. I'll love listening. I'll even love when you come to see mine. Starring me. Whee!
Oh, just shut up!